Well, it's been 1 year since I did the first test of the Bezzera BZ10 Espresso machine. Actually, it's been fantastic. I'm glad I bought it. I think the original price was around $2,500. So I've made 2,000 espressos, which is about 40 kilograms of beans, plus that calculates to about $1,500 of beans, and you add that onto the 2.5, that's $4,000. If you made 2,000 espressos, double shot espressos, at $4 each, that would be $8,000, and therefore I've saved $4,000 in 1 year. It's been a great machine. I'd highly recommend it. Cheers. It still makes a fantastic coffee. I don't know whether my barista skills have improved, but it's definitely not the milk. I can improve on that one. Maybe give me another year and I'll do another one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like. See you in the next video. Cheers.